She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. She said, take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog.
Wow, so you're so funny. Okay, so my sister's got. Please, this scarf. Let me put on one side. But I don't. You and scarf. Chooks, enter my vlog now.
I'm booking the YouTuber. Oh, the YouTuber.
Oh my god.
You can see our interior. This is one of our hard work. It's apprentice.
Oh, look at that shoe.
We got to.
Fresh, mix it.
She said, take your time with some rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog. She said, take your time with some rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I'm a money. I can smoke already, so cold in my blood. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I'm in my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time with some rush.
I'm the biggest fighter in all history. I'm the greatest fighter in all history. I don't have to convince nobody now that I am great. They all know it.
I'll fight any man in the world. I'll beat any man in the world.
As you know, I'm a confident man. I don't believe or can't see anyone beat me. Nothing worries me. This is nothing but a small thing that will soon be out of the way.
I put everything on the line because I'm a true fighting champion.
I'm unranked. It will be no match. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm going to make all of them shut their mouths.
All of my critics, I told you all that I was the greatest of all time. I'm still the greatest of all time. I'm going to float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. His hands can't hit what his eyes can't see.
Therapeutic.
Yo!
What's up? Ah, Jinx. Okay, oh shit. Don't forget, Adi. Okay, that takes two. We will fight on the cool. Can't the target ad?
This cut is nice. Okay.
Like,
it will.
so
It will come.
to make police. So
Yeah, it will come. It's again.
But
The whole world will be watching everybody.
when the whole world is watching everybody, scary things will be happening.
But we know all watching, almost watching each other. When you done, they tell us when in the car you are bought. They are telling us, you just got married. It's just like even on Twitter,
they'll be telling
us
to do crazy things live. Just do crazy something crazy. Or rob this bank.
Exactly, live. Show it. Yes, now. If they have not started, they have started.
If you can successfully rob this bank, we'll send you money.
And many people have successfully done it.
Oh God, it's true.
Yes, no. Many have died in the process. But this life
there's an underground, so there's an underground secret group of people, maybe like that.
Yes, now.
You take people to do crazy things.
Of course. Another thing, you need to see emotions are diabolic. Aside from opportunity, they are diabolic too.
I came to this state with trust issues. I like all this your new thumbnail, and I like the talking to me.
Wait, let me. So I'm asking my brother that if you have a great brand deal, you've made it in life, and you have a great brand deal, and you start streaming, you start posting YouTube, and immediately they tell you that the amount of time you're always mentioning God is too much. Stop mentioning, like you need to reduce it. Like, what would you do if you're in that position?
Well, that position. You said a multi-million.
Like multi-million deal, like life-changing deal.
And I'm a Christian.
Yeah.
First of all.
Period.
Yes, ma'am. So, what I would do, I won't do much. I would just first reason with them, reason with their people.
Like in what sense?
Yes, like I can. Is there no way I can? Like, is there? At first, I would like to know if there's anything them they have against God, then I will do it.
Okay.
Yes. But if they don't have anything against God, if it's like business-wise, like so that I'll talk more about their stuff more than God. No problem. I'll find the ways that there's a way we can. There's a way. Then if there's a reasoning to it, yes, then there's a way it can work for sure.
Oh, I don't know. Like, like I say that money can make you to reduce your like you even the reason with them. You're not like
that's why I said if them they have anything against God against.
Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go watch a movie. So there's this movie that just came out and is showing at the cinema. I think it's 28 men something. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna put the detail of the movie. So I'm gonna go watch the movie. So I'm going to meet up with my friend and my longtime friend who, like, we've actually never physically met, but we've been friends for quite a long time, and so I'm going to be meeting up with him. So we're going to see the movie. So I'm quite excited because, bro, you as you know, I've not even been like social as I want to be. So right now, I'm excited to go see the movie. So my friend is coming to pick me up, and while I get ready, so I'm just wearing the normal. I don't really want to show you, and just a normal top. I'm very sure you've seen this top in my vlog like 1 million times. That's because, girl, I have no clothes, and I'm not even lying right now. I have no clothes. I've not taken my time to go shopping, but we're gonna do that soon, very soon. So we're going to be changing our whole wardrobe. By God's grace. So you gotta stay moisturized. The movie is by 9 o'clock, so it's currently 8:46. So the movie is showing by 9, and it's also showing by 11. So whichever one, I don't know. So I don't know how many degrees it is right now. It's not so cold, but you know how the cinema gets really cold. So I'm thinking, should I take the sweater? Should I take a sweater, or should I just? I didn't record you.
80. She's a baby of time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I'm a money. No crib talking come through. It's time to break it in. 32 black on pants size, cause they try to break it in. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights. Those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it. But I let my guard down to you. Said I'll put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time. What's the rush? Take your time. I said baby I'm a dog. She said take your time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your movie.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks.
Oh, am I the only ones? What the fuck?
No, but I saw some people buying the clothes. When you
Yeah, we need to sit in a good horror movie.
you like
A
that?
good spot, yeah. I swear, a good spot.
How can you never done?
I serious. I've actually not in a dream.
First time I came here,
Yeah.
what even happened? Yeah, that's what he was telling me. I said, no problem. I bought the ticket and I came. Okay. Yeah.
Man, that's how you start a movie.
Never forget this story. So there was a time that me and my sister, I mean my sister, like my senior sister, she loves when we were young, she loved horror movies.
Are you serious?
She loved horror movies.
Running right at us! I'm taking off!
Well, that's not the movie that we watched now. The movie that we watched is not even here. I have no idea. I have no idea.
Say na eyes dey pay me and they waiting me this. Hey.
I think he's talking about see the metros.
What do you think? Okay.
Who is it?
What's